Hello language learners, teacher Daniela here with Lumos Language School. Welcome to another English tip video. In today's video, we're talking about using the prepositions in, on, and at. Are you ready? Let's get started. In our last video, we talked about using these prepositions in, on, at to talk about location. Today, we're learning how to use these prepositions to talk about time. Knowing which preposition to use can be a bit tricky. You want to think of it like a bullseye. In is for large periods of time, on is for more specific time, and at is for very specific time. Here are some quick guidelines. First, let's talk about in. We use in when we talk about large periods of time, like years, months, and seasons. Here are a few examples. She has a dentist appointment in March. March is a month, so I need to use a preposition in. I'm going on vacation in summer. Summer is a season, so I need to use a preposition in. They are coming back in 2025. 2025 is a year, so again, I need to use the preposition in. Also, there are some expressions that you need to memorize. In the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. For example, I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat lunch in the afternoon. And I eat dinner in the evening. Now let's move on to on. We use the preposition on when we talk about specific days, dates, and holidays. For example, the meeting is on Friday. Friday is a day of the week, so I need to use the preposition on. The party is happening on New Year's Eve. New Year's is a holiday, so I need to use the preposition on. Our anniversary is on October 10th. In this case, October 10th is a specific date, so I need to use the preposition on. In these sentences, on is used to indicate a particular day or date when something happens. For months, we use in, and for days, we use on. So we could say our anniversary is in October. We use in because we only have the month, October. But our anniversary is on October 10th. We use on because October 10th is a specific date. Last, let's talk about at. We use at when talking about specific times or moments during the day. For example, the train leaves at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is a specific time, so we use the preposition at. We'll meet at noon. Noon is a specific moment of the day, so again, we need to use the preposition at. The store closes at 9 p.m. 9 p.m. is a specific time, so I need to use the preposition at. In these sentences, at is used to describe a specific time or moment during the day. Remember, we have the expressions in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. But another expression you need to memorize is at night. For example, I sleep at night, or we watch movies at night. Okay, now that you understand how to use in, on, at to talk about time, let's do a fun practice exercise. I will give you a sentence and you will have to complete it using a preposition of time, in, on, or at. Ready? Here's the first sentence. The party is Friday. That's right. The answer is the party is on Friday because Friday is a day of the week. So you need to use a preposition on. Here's another sentence. We'll meet you noon. That's right. The answer is we'll meet you at noon because noon is a specific moment of the day. And here's the third sentence. The concert is the evening. That's right. The answer is the concert is in the evening because the evening is an expression. So remember, we use in for large periods of time, on for specific days, dates, or holidays, and at for specific times or moments during the day. That's all for our lesson on using the prepositions in, on, at to describe time. Now that you know the different contexts in which we use the prepositions in, on, and at to talk about time and location, practice using them in your everyday conversations so that you feel more comfortable using them. And remember that using prepositions correctly takes time and practice. So keep listening, repeating, and challenging yourself. And soon, using prepositions will become easier. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Also, go ahead and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, and happy learning!